what? If they're as fun as this little thing is, they did good. This little bike's a lot of fun. I am greatly enjoying myself on it. What's up, guys? Asher from Srkcycles.com. For those of you who may or may not know me, I'm the stupid guy who stole Sean's favorite motorcycle. Nah, I bought Sean's FC07 from him a while back, and I'm helping him out with test rides today. So today we got a 2007 Honda Rebel 250, kind of all bobbed out here. He's got pipes on it, controls are forward. He's got this little license plate taillight thing. Looks pretty good. These shocks are actually, I was actually looking at these shocks are actually adjustable, both of them. So that's pretty cool. So let's take it for a spin and see what this little guy's all about. Before we get going, Sean's riding around on the ruckus. Before we get going, the words of wisdom for today, Proverbs 2:12. Wisdom will save you from the ways of wicked men and from men whose words are perverse. Here we go, guys. Pretty good verse for today. Go. Forgot to put the choke on. There we go. All right. Let's take this little boy out for a spin, see what she's got. Woo! Oh. So, Honda Rebel 250. Sorry, try that again. Honda Rebel 250. This is, for years, this has been like the starter bike. This bike, along with the Kawasaki Ninja 250, these have been like the only ones that people would recommend starting on. I've ridden a Ninja 250 before. I have not ridden a Rebel 250. So this is going to be totally new. This is also set up. Let me fix my mirrors real quick. This is also set up in a very much not stock form. Like I said, it was bobbed out. It had some neat little mods done to it. So the forward controls are throwing me off just a little bit, but that's okay. Woo! Come on, little bike. Yeah, there we go. All right. There you go, guys. I mean, it's not that bad. I'm doing like 50. Cruising comfortably. The brakes actually feel pretty good. I'm kind of surprised. I thought the brakes weren't going to be as good as that. Pretty good. I mean, it is a very, very light bike. Alright, let's get on a little bit, see what it's got. Come on! Yeah! I mean, you're certainly not going to win any... you're not going to win any speed. You're not going to win any awards for speed on this thing. But it does feel pretty good. I mean, riding position, my feet are forward, again, because it's got the forward controls on it. Woo! It actually, shockingly enough, it actually corners pretty well, too. I mean, again, good chance it just being, you know, a really, really, really light bike probably has a lot to do with it. I actually like this. For a little bike. This is a lot of fun, guys. Yeah. 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 So, I mean, obviously this bike's been out since, oh man, since what, the 80s? Yeah. And we will brake. There we go. Oh. Okay, because this thing doesn't have the same power that some of those other bikes do. I am going to take my sweet time and wait. Come on. Woo! Man, that's... Come on, little bike. Let's go. Get up the hill. Woo! So, there you go. See, once you get moving, it feels just like any other motorcycle, guys. It's fun. It's fun to be on one. It's just enjoyable. Yeah, see, this is really nice. Go for a quick ride, have some fun. It actually, yeah, I mean, look at this. This actually feels pretty good, being able to do that. So, believe it or not, you can get this thing around corners pretty well. I actually am having quite a bit of fun on this little guy. So, thank you for turn signal. Nice of you. So this bike's actually been discontinued, guys. No, Honda replaced it last year with the Rebel 300 and the Rebel 500, which I haven't ridden either of those bikes, so I can't speak to how good or bad they are compared to this one. But if they're as fun as this little thing is, they did good. This little bike's a lot of fun. I am greatly enjoying myself on it. Come down here. Hey, grips are kind of cool too. Nice, comfy grips. The whole setup, again, this, like I said, this isn't a stock setup, but believe it or not, it's pretty comfy. Your feet are set up nice. I got short legs, and I'm more than happy to just kind of hang out and chill here. Feels nice. You feel in control of the bike. Here's a nice corner. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at the speed of it. Woo! Okay, let's slow down. Guys, this bike is hysterical. I'm laughing my way through this. This is really, really, really fun. Oh, the foot pegs fold too. That's actually a really big deal, because if you're, I mean, the person that this bike's geared towards is definitely a beginner. And I mean, we've all dropped bikes before in the parking lot where we're getting used to riding them and stuff. I've done it before. Woo! I've done it before. Having foot pegs that fold up mean that they're not going to break off if you drop it on a low speed, with a low speed accident or something. That's actually a really nice feature for this thing. Handlebars feel good. Nice kind of wider bars. You feel in control. That's really kind of the kicker here. So, and the one thing to take away, I don't feel all over the place. I feel like this bike's going to go exactly where I point it. Suspension feels, yeah, there you go. We just did some bumps. Suspension's fine. I have no complaints with that at all. And like I did say, it's crazy. That's not the stock suspension back there. Both of those shocks are adjustable. Both of them are. So that's pretty. That's actually pretty cool. I don't know a lot about suspension, but if you could get somebody who did know and set this thing up, it'd probably even be a little bit better than it already is now. So, good little bike. Just perfectly happy to sit here and putz along, 45 miles an hour. No worries, guys. Okay, brake. Yes, sir. Kind of lean into that corner. Get up on it. This is a fun corner right here. This is like Sean's favorite corner. And I took it at 45 miles an hour. Guys, there's nothing wrong with this motorcycle. This is a cool, fun little bike. Alright, so as we're getting back to the shop, oh, he's got like aftermarket turn signals on it too. Those are nice, those little, tasteful looking little ones there. Looks pretty sweet. Okay, let's go. So, as we get back, is this bike for? As I make a racket and wake everybody in the area up. Kidding. It's like 11 o'clock. Everyone should be awake already. Anyway, who's this bike for? This is a beginner bike, guys. 100%. This is geared to someone who has never touched a motorcycle before in their life. I mean, I'm giving it everything on the throttle, and it's you know, it's doing it, it's working, it's fine, but it's not in a threatening manner at all. It just kind of goes, which is perfect if you've never touched a bike before in your life. This is the one you want right here, guys. No questions asked. If you have no experience riding on the street or the dirt for that matter, you've never used a motorcycle before in your life, get this bike. Alright guys, we're almost back to the shop. Hope you enjoyed this little test ride. It really is a cool bike. Really is a cool little bike. So, again, for those of you who may or may not know me, I'm Asher. This bike's available on Srkcycles.com, and we'll see you in the next one.
If you like that video and you want to see more of them, click on the subscribe button. And if you guys didn't know, we also have a motorcycle dealership, Srkcycles.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the country. We have one of the largest inventories in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, which probably means nothing to you because you probably don't live in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. But we have a decent amount of bikes. So check out the first link on the bottom is the website, Srkcycles, and we'll see you guys later.